Okay. NET-113. Okay, we're finishing up Chapter 7, I/O. We did dual monitors. We did them on in 3 different groups in class, so we completed that. We talked about when they're doing labs, make sure they're complete. Some people aren't getting them complete, and then everybody needs to submit. Even if you work with a group, everybody needs to submit the lab. We talked about a little bit in general about when people hire, not only good skills, but the ability to be organized and document and so forth, which means this is good practice, being very clear in the labs. And we also talked about how people select equipment. How do they spec it out? Okay, a lot of places, talked to some places have, it's based on obviously the users, how they define what they're going to use it for, XYZ or CAD or whatever, and then the IT department can look at that and say, okay, these would be the best specs for that, and then work with the user in trying to determine that. And so then today we did a number of lab things in class. We some of it we'll use later. We did dual monitors. We installed some wireless. We installed some other equipment and so forth today in the labs. So, all right. So I'll continue here. So there wasn't a whole lot of notes. Okay. Then here we talked about, in general, the whole world of I/O, all the devices and drivers, using the internet to solve problems. A lot of times another option as a person with experience can be extremely valuable. Now you can find these on the internet if you look hard enough to find your solutions. And we talked about the video, how important what you look at